I've got a task table with a child date field, and I have a parent table with a parent date field. Whenever the status of this changes, or let's say the date even changes at the task level, we want it reflected in the parent. So rather than creating a button, what we can use is an automation. So let's create an automation to make that happen. And let's say when data changes and whenever somebody's adding or modifying something in the particular table called tasks, we have to put a condition in here. We'll say, and when a specific field, child date, is changed here, we want to add an action which will modify a record, and then we'll select in the projects table. Finish. Now we have to decide what parental record it is, what parental record, where the record ID of the record we're going to is equal to the related project. This is the reference field right here that is looking backwards into the record ID up here. Now, did I just do that again? I want related project. Click. There it is. I don't need this one here. So let's get rid of that one. Okay, related project. This is in the parent. This is in the child of every task of that parent. So what do? We then want to take the value of the parent date and make this is the destination in the parent table. We're selecting this from another record, which is the task, and this is the child date. All right, so let's save this. Let's go in and take a look at one of these. We'll exit out. We'll look at a particular project, and we'll look at this one here. Here we've got a parent date. It's blank. I'm going to come down and look at one of these here. And we have a child date. Let's put today's date here and click save. And now that should have fired off a record. Now notice that we're in the parent, but it hasn't shown up yet. Let's refresh the browser. There's the value here. It happened so quickly that by the time this refreshed, this hadn't happened in the background. So that's one way to do it. So we've got an automation that says whenever the date field changes, go back to its related parent and update the field that way.